Same-day Suboxone treatment online. You're not alone if you're looking for same-day Suboxone treatment online. Millions of people struggle with opioid addiction and chronic and acute pain, and many of them are finding relief with Suboxone. This video will discuss what you need to know about same-day Suboxone treatment online. What is Suboxone? Which ailments can qualify you for Suboxone treatment? How to get a Suboxone prescription near you, and more. Let's get started. Suboxone is a medication used to treat opioid addiction. It is a combination of buprenorphine and naloxone, two drugs that work together to reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms. Buprenorphine is an opioid partial agonist, which binds to the same receptors in the brain as other opioids but produces a weaker effect. Naloxone is an antagonist which blocks the effects of opioids. Suboxone is typically prescribed as part of a tapering program, in which the dose is gradually reduced over time to allow the patient to detox from opioids safely. It can be taken either as a pill or a dissolvable sublingual film and is typically taken once daily. In addition, Suboxone can also be used to treat chronic pain and acute pain. It is a potent medication, so it is usually only prescribed when other pain medications have not worked. Suboxone works by reducing the number of pain signals sent to the brain. Suboxone is a Schedule III medication with moderate to low potential for abuse and dependence. However, because it is an opioid, there is still a risk of abuse and addiction. If you have a Suboxone prescription, taking it as directed by your doctor is crucial. Do not take more than the prescribed amount. Suboxone is not for everyone. There are a few different medical conditions that can qualify you for Suboxone treatment. Opioid addiction is a severe medical condition that can be fatal. If you are addicted to opioids, you will experience intense cravings and withdrawal symptoms when you try to quit. Suboxone can help reduce these symptoms and make it easier for you to detox from opioids. To qualify for Suboxone treatment, you must have an opioid addiction and have tried to quit at least once. You must also show that you are committed to recovery and have a support system. If you think you may be addicted to opioids, talk to your doctor about Suboxone treatment. Chronic pain is a complex condition to live with. It can be constant and debilitating, making it hard to do everyday activities. Pain medication can help ease the symptoms, but can also be addictive. Here is where Suboxone comes in. It can also help manage chronic pain because of its analgesic effect, which helps lessen the intensity of pain signals. As a result, Suboxone can be an effective treatment for chronic pain. Talking to a doctor before starting any new medication is essential. But for people with chronic pain, Suboxone may be worth considering. Some doctors prescribe Suboxone as an off-label drug for chronic pain, so make sure to talk to your doctor about the risks and benefits. Acute pain is when you experience a sudden and severe onset of pain. It can be the result of an injury, surgery, or illness. The pain is usually short-lived, but it can be very intense. For many years, doctors have prescribed opioids to treat acute pain. However, they now turn to alternatives, like Suboxone, because of the risk of addiction and overdose associated with opioids. Suboxone is a safer option that is less likely to cause dependence and addiction. And with the correct dose, it can provide relief from acute pain. If you are experiencing acute pain, talk to your doctor about Suboxone treatment. It may be the right option for you. The primary use of Suboxone is for the treatment of opioid addiction. It can help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms, making it easier to detox from opioids. Suboxone is not a cure for addiction, but it can be a helpful tool in recovery. Suboxone is most effective as part of a comprehensive and complete treatment program that includes counseling and support. If you are struggling with addiction, talk to your doctor about Suboxone treatment and other options that may be available to you. Suboxone treatment can last anywhere from weeks or months to years. During this time, the dose of buprenorphine is gradually decreased. It helps prevent withdrawal symptoms when the person stops taking Suboxone. Suboxone treatment can be an outpatient or inpatient program. It is essential to follow the directions of the doctor when taking Suboxone. The most common side effects of Suboxone are mild and include constipation, dry mouth, and headache. Some severe side effects can occur, such as slowed breathing or seizure. It is crucial to call the doctor right away if these side effects occur. But overall, with the proper guidance from your doctor, Suboxone is a safe and effective treatment for opioid addiction. If you or someone you know is struggling with opioid use disorder, Visit our website for the same-day Suboxone treatment online. According to the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, there are specific requirements patients must meet to get Suboxone treatment. They must be evaluated by a licensed physician who has completed the necessary training and certification, diagnosed with an opioid use disorder, committed to abstaining from illicit drug and alcohol use, consistent in showing up for scheduled appointments, willing to take the medication as prescribed, motivated to change their behavior, and engaged in treatment. The decision to seek Suboxone treatment is big, but it can be an essential step to long-term recovery. With the help of a qualified physician, patients can overcome their addiction and start living healthy, productive lives. Here are a few tips that can help you get a same-day Suboxone treatment online. If you're looking for a Suboxone prescription near you, one tip is to look for telehealth treatment options. Telehealth is a type of doctor's consultation done via video conference. It can be a great option if you live in a rural area, have transportation issues, or need confidentiality for personal care. To find a telehealth doctor who can prescribe Suboxone, you can search online or ask your regular doctor for a recommendation. When searching online, check if the doctor has a license in your state and if they offer telehealth services. You should also check if they accept your insurance. Once you've found a doctor you're comfortable with, you can schedule an appointment and start getting the care and treatment you need. If you're looking for a Suboxone doctor near you, the best place to start is online. Several online directories can help you find a doctor in your area who specializes in treating addiction. These directories, like Suboxonedoctor.com, usually include reviews and contact information for each doctor, so you can make an informed decision about who to see. You can also search for Suboxone clinics in your area using online search engines. Once you've found potential doctors, call or visit their websites to learn more about their treatment methods and policies. Remember that addiction is a severe condition, so it's crucial to choose a doctor who you feel comfortable with and who has experience treating patients with addiction. With the right doctor, you can begin the recovery process and start on the path to sobriety. The MAT program is a win-win for both patients and providers. Patients can get the help they need right away, and providers can see more patients in a day. The program is simple. Prescribing physicians complete a short online assessment, which takes less than 5 minutes. The assessment includes questions about the patient's medications, medical history, and current symptoms. The physician can prescribe medication to help patients manage their withdrawal symptoms based on the answers. The MAT program is an evidence-based program that is safe and effective. It is also flexible and tailored to each patient's needs. Same-day Suboxone treatment online is an excellent option for those looking for immediate help. It's possible to get same-day Suboxone treatment online through Suboxonedoctor.com. Our directory includes a list of qualified doctors who can help you get the care and treatment you need. The first step to getting same-day Suboxone treatment online is to search for a Suboxone doctor near you. You can visit our website and enter your city zip code into the search bar. It will give you a list of doctors in your area qualified to prescribe Suboxone. Once you've found a few potential doctors, you can compare them by their location, reviews, and contact information. You can also ask for a quote from each doctor to understand their costs. It's essential to choose a doctor you feel comfortable with and who has experience treating patients with addiction. When comparing doctors, consider their experience, treatment methods, and policies. You should also ensure they accept your insurance, Medicare, or Medicaid. Once you've found the right doctor, you can contact them to set up an appointment. Most doctors will offer a free consultation so you can discuss your treatment options and decide if Suboxone is right for you. After your consultation, you'll be able to schedule an appointment and start the process of getting same-day Suboxone treatment online. Suboxonedoctor.com is the leading online directory for same-day Suboxone treatment. Our directory includes a list of qualified Suboxone doctors who can help you get the care and treatment you need. With our easy-to-use search bar, you can find a doctor in your area who is qualified to prescribe Suboxone. You can compare doctors by their location, reviews, and contact information. Visit Suboxonedoctor.com and let us help you start your journey to recovery.